Alright, here we go. This is the cantaloupe pop test, a new little idea. It's kind of like the wound channel cavity deal, but not necessarily. What we're doing is we got a roughly a ½ inch board on each side of the cantaloupe. And we're basically, this is the Bohemian Ballistics way of 2D printing the entry and the exit hole coming out. So that's what we're doing here on the cantaloupe pop test. Boom, boom, boom. And I'm trying something different with the water jugs. I'm opening the tops to actually see if they'll keep them from blowing up. I'm trying to figure out a way to save my rails so it'll last a little bit longer. But there we go. Again, everything's turned sideways. We should get the catch in the water jugs. And let's see how we do. Alright, here we go. Cantaloupe pop test. 44 Magnum. 240 grains, semi-jagged with soft point, firing through a CVA, 22-inch barrel, 50 yards so down range. And let's see what we can get. Opening the jugs seemed to not do the trick. Here's the entry hole. And let's see if our 2D printing was a success. Actually went into 5 jugs. Damn, that's pretty good. Alright, that's going in. There's actually the front, and this is actually the back coming out. So Bohemian Ballistics, this is the Bohemian Hunting Club. Y'all have officially witnessed our first 2D printing, brought to you by Smoky Oak, makers of fine products. And that is the bullet from the cantaloupe pop test. Not shrooming as much as it did on just a straight water catch. Let me give you all a comparison.
Yep, got it.
That little bastard flew off and flew over me.